What's up, beautiful people? Today I want to show you my new funnel that I just launched and built in 24 hours. The offer, the funnel, the ads, the copy, everything behind the scenes so that you can model it for yourself. Now I have two of these low ticket offers, and the beautiful part about this is that when I spend money, let's say $100, $200 per day, I make back the money day one, meaning I can break even on ad spend. Therefore, I can scale my company, get more customers and leads for free, and then everything on the back end is profit. And every business needs this, whether you're building a business yourself or you're helping clients and building funnels for them. And so in this video, I'm going to share my screen and walk you through my process, the ads, the funnel, the offer, the copy, everything that you need so you can do it yourself. Let's dive in. All right, so we're inside of my account, and you can see the first offer that I have is called the 7-figure AI bundle. And this is the low ticket offer is $27, and I just launched my second one called the DM closing script, and it's $47. And so both of them, I have a split test going. I have an upsell and a second upsell as well. So first thing I'm going to show you is the 7-figure AI bundle. Some of you may have seen this. So we're going to see the stats both on a sales page level. I'm testing 4 different offers. So you can see here, you can see the conversion rate right there. You can see the sales, earnings per view. And then I can compare that to the ad spend and look at the total ROAS, return on ad spend, and return on investment. Also, just a quick heads up before you watch the rest of this video, as you're looking at the conversion rates or maybe the click-through rates from the ads or maybe cost per acquisition or money spent, there we go, I just got a customer. So when you're looking at all of this, just know that I'm in the testing phase. So I'm willing to spend more money to get more data because data is key, right? So I'm looking at, okay, what are people clicking through? You know, is it the ad that says, hey, if you want an empty calendar, you want to close high ticket clients without sales calls, I'm the guy, get my scripts. And if I'm selling funnel templates, the 7-figure AI bundle, I'm looking at what are people clicking to buy these for. Is it because they're plug and play funnel templates, or is it because you're gonna customize them using AI, or is it because you want client ready funnel templates? So just keep that in mind when you're testing. What is the reason that they want to buy your thing? You know, if you have a fitness offer, is it more energy or is it fat loss, right? Big difference, right? So when you're looking at this data, well, I'll keep you updated. I'll keep posting. So just make sure you stay tuned. You stay subscribed to the channel so you can see my third offer, my fourth offer. I'm going to have 10 low ticket offers and hundreds of ads where we're testing everything and we're giving it to you so you can use this for yourself to launch your own offers as well. Then we have sales page version 2 where I have 2 more funnels. So again, 4 pages. You can see the importance of split testing here where I have 1.45% conversion rate here and 3.3% here. Now, the reason I'm able to see the conversion rate per page is because I'm no longer using a separate order form. So every single page has their own pop-up where we have the order form. There you go. And I also have a order bump that's $17 that increases the AOV, average order value. So if I go back, we can click stats and we can see specifically per offer. And so we can see how much we've done for each of them. So $355, $98, and then the OTO one. If we didn't have upsells, we would lose $564. And this is why you have upsells. This is why it's a funnel, because people can buy more. They can buy the next thing with just a click of a button. They already added their payment info. Now they can just add more to their order, right? That's the beautiful part of a funnel. And then OTO2, this is $99 a month to Funnels University. And so we've added $300 by just adding an offer where they can test it out at a monthly basis. So on an ongoing basis. And then while I was still using the order page, I had 2 tests for the order page and a total of 1,100 in sales there as well. If we go to this new offer, DM closing, by the way, I'm going to show you the pages as well, so don't worry. We have 2 different pages, but we don't have a lot of stats because I literally launched it today. Like, yeah, the ads just went live. You go to the ads, you can see 7-figure bundle the purchases, and then DM closing scripts. And so we just launched this today. Now, the way that I'm doing this, though, if you look at 7-figure bundle, for example, first I did 20 different headlines. So I split tested just headlines, the same visual, and just had different headlines. And if we look at some of these sales, we can first of all obviously look at click-through rate. Like, okay, how many people are clicking through? Meaning, are these ads getting any attention? But then we also want to see cost per acquisition, right? So amount spent. You can see that sometimes Facebook doesn't really spend anything on some of them, and they're allocating based on engagement, clicks, and purchase. So you can see here, some of them are costing us 43 euros, and average order value is about the same, so break even. So we would then continue with those, and then cancel the ones that are $100 per purchase, and so on. I can see we've paused these, so I will have to publish those again. But then we have different funnels. So you can see we just paused funnel 3 and funnel 2. And I noticed that the angle was too technical, like build funnels and you have to be a graphic designer. And it was too technical and it was not focused enough on the outcome, right? So I'm selling features, not benefits. And so this way you test the angle first. And because we have both funnels, so each funnel, if I go in here, you'll see that they all have different headlines. So sales page, we're going to open up all the headlines so you can see. And then sales page version 2, same thing here. And this way, you should see how I sell $5,000 funnels. And this one is how to launch your first funnel in minutes. So that's not as juicy or sexy, if you will. Copy paste my exact 7-figure funnels. And then how I built 1K plus per day business. So very different outcomes. And that is why we have higher conversions on some of them and lower on the more technical. You can see here 1.5% conversion rate versus opt-in rate. So on the opt-ins versus this one, for example. So sales rate, that's the conversion rate. Opt-in is when they start filling out the order form. So then we have OTO1. We can do the same thing here. So one simple change I've done here. So we go open both of them. I'm only testing the headline for now. So want to deep dive into funnel conversion design in just 7 days versus join the 7-day funnel design challenge to master conversion design in no time. Which one do you think is converting better? You can see here 19 versus 12. So almost double the conversions, which means that a page view, a visitor, a customer is worth $10 more because of this one versus $5 more here. So this is why split testing matters. If you're a funnel builder, you definitely want to offer your clients split testing as a service as well. And if you're a funnel builder, you want to have your own low ticket offers as well because you get customers for free. You spend 1,000, then you make 1,000 back, right? So you get customers for free, and then you're able to sell them funnel building services. And if you're a coach, you want to get customers for free so you can sell them coaching on the back end, right? Then we go into DM closing. So first angle that we're using, you're going to see here, 2 funnels for now. Okay, so I've cloned the template. I'm very proud of this sales page, by the way. If you look at the psychology behind it, but we got 2 different headlines. So we got how I close 100 plus high-tech clients without sales calls or proposals using a 3-step DM closing script. By the way, when I start asking my customers and members, my community members in Funnels University, when I start asking them for feedback of the DM closing script, they were amazing. Like the feedback was mind blowing. Some people said they were worth the $997 alone. So this is why social proof is important. I went back and looked at some of the clients that I've messaged and closed and highlighted their messages. So these are screenshots from actual clients who have paid me, right? 5,000, 4,500, 5,000. I got another one that's 7.5K. We got screenshots down here. You'll see one that is 7,000 for 2 funnels. And this funnel, if you just go through it, just look at it. I'm very proud of how it turned out. It's a light themed design wise. And then this one is copy these 3-step DM closing scripts and turn cold leads and high-paying clients without sales calls. Other than that, they're the same. So it's going to be interesting to see the stats for those as well. And for OTO, I've also done similar tests here. Compared to this one, you can see it's the same offer, 7-day outreach challenge. And this is get unlimited high quality leads in your inbox so you can DM close more people, right? So just different hooks, different angles. And that's the whole thing when you're thinking about your ads, your offers. This is 7-figure AI bundle. So funnels uh, built with AI without having to do it manually. And then this is how I've personally closed hundreds of deals using DM closing instead of sales calls. And so I just look at what I've done personally, what I can help other people do as well. And then I productize it and I create assets like DM closing scripts and funnel templates and AI GPTs and digital assets that other people can benefit from. So keep that in mind when you're testing your own offers as well. Hopefully this is valuable. If you want to see anything else, more of the ads, maybe I can show you a few things. If we just go look at, for example, funnel one headlines, you can see these are simple, very simple graphics where we just look at, for example, the exact funnel templates that I've used to charge clients 5,000. Copy paste my exact 7-figure funnels without having to be a designer or copywriter. Launch professional funnels in minutes using AI. And what you can see here in the ad sets is if you look at funnel one, these are more, okay, so funnel four, sorry. These are different because they're not focused on just funnels in minutes and using AI. This one, create client-ready funnels using AI tools. So different angles. And an angle is simply like how do you use it? So funnel templates, it can be sell funnels to clients, but funnel templates can also be automate your coaching business. Like the angle can be funnel agency or it can be sell digital products, right? One of the angles that we're doing next is going to be reselling. So I build all of these, I test them, I spend thousands of dollars testing the ads, the funnels, the offers, and then I'm going to give people these in a reseller license so that you can sell them as your own. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed. Comment what you want to see next in terms of funnels, offers, ads, all that good stuff. And yeah, you can check out the links in the description. You can read all the copy. If you want to go through the funnel, make sure you screenshot it and take notes. And hopefully you'll learn a lot. I'll see you in the next one.